Hello everyone, it's me Dr. Chinnu and welcome to the Bookmark. Bookmark is a series of classes that helps you to add on your preparations for various competitive examinations. Today I am dealing with the national parks in India part 2. In part 1 we discussed about the national parks in Andhra Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. What are national parks? The national parks are the areas generated and set up by the Government of India for the protection of the entire natural environment along with its conservation of its biodiversity. The national parks comes under the IUCN Category 2 protected areas, and the national parks is defined by the state government via notifications. In this part 2, we have started with the state Assam. In Assam, the UNESCO World Heritage Sites are there: KAZIRANGA Wildlife Sanctuary and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. The UNESCO's World Heritage Sites are the landmark areas with legal protection by an international convention administered by it. It has the tiger reserves in KAZIRANGA, NAMERI and Manas. The tiger reserves set up in 1973 by National Tiger Conservation Authority's administrations under the Project Tiger. And in 2018-19 tiger census, we have 2,967 tigers. And the RAMSAR site is the DEEPOR BEEL, and the RAMSAR sites means the conservations mainly on the wetlands international importance, especially for the conservation and sustainable use of the wetlands. And these are named after the city of Ramsar in Iran, and it is signed in 1971. Next, about the biosphere reserves in Assam, they are the Manas, Dibru and SAIKHOWA. The biosphere reserves, we have 18, and these are the international designation by UNESCO's Man and the Biosphere Program, and these are started in 1971, and these are the models of sustainable development. Going to the national parks of the Assam, the first one is the Dehing Patkai National Park. It is the latest national park of the 7 national park of Assam. It is better known for its elephant concentration. It is located in the Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts of Assam. The Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is declared as a Dehing Patkai Elephant Reserve later, and this was the first wildlife sanctuary in 2004 and later upgraded to a national park in 2021. And Dehing is the name of the river that flows through it, and Patkai is the hill. It is also known as the JEYPORE Rainforest, the only known patch of the virgin rainforest in Assam. It is believed to be the last contiguous patch of lowland rainforest area in Assam. The rare and highest concentration of endangered white-winged wood duck is present, and it is known highly for its elephant population, and it is the only national park with 7 types of wild cats. They are the leopard, clouded leopard, tiger, leopard cat, golden cat, jungle cat and marbled cat. The second one is the Raimona National Park. It is the 6th national park of Assam, located along the Indo-Tibetan border. It is surrounded by the Phipso Wildlife Sanctuary of Bhutan in the north and Buxa Tiger Reserve of West Bengal in the west, and Manas National Park on the east. It is the most diversity-rich forest belt of Assam, and it is home to many species of flora and fauna: Asian elephant, Royal Bengal tiger, clouded leopard, Indian goat, wild buffalo, spotted deer, hornbill, and several species of butterflies and orchids are found. That is about the Raimona National Park. The third one is the Orang National Park. It is known for its rich flora and fauna with numerous wetlands and man-made water bodies. Paknoi, Belsiri and Dhansiri rivers flows through it, and it forms a magnificent Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot. Great Indian one-horned rhinoceros, Royal Bengal tiger, Asiatic elephant, wild boar, pygmy hawk, Indian hawk deer, wild buffalo and tigers are found here. Rare species like blind gangetic dolphin, Indian pangolin, rhesus macaco are found here. Diverse bird population with spot-billed pelican, great white pelican, etc. are found. The fourth one is the KAZIRANGA National Park. It is situated on the northern bank of the river Brahmaputra. It is always prone to the flood, and it is declared as National Park in 1974 and a Tiger Reserve in 2004. It is declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985 and is recognized as an important bird area. The world's largest population of one-horned rhinoceros are found here. It is home to Royal Bengal tiger, Asiatic water buffalo, elephants, eastern swamp deer, sambar deer, hawk deer and migratory birds. The KAZIRANGA is regarded as one of the finest wildlife refuges in the world. The endangered Ganges dolphin is also found in some of the closed oxbow lakes. The National Highway number 37 passes along the southern border of KAZIRANGA that causes disturbance to wildlife, and poaching is a serious issue here. And so the Special Rhino Protection Force is deployed, and for anti-poaching satellite phones were provided, and it helped during the flood. And it was about the KAZIRANGA National Park. And the fifth one is the Manas National Park. It became a tiger reserve in 1974 and a World Heritage Site in 1985. It became a biosphere reserve in 1989 and declared as a national park in 1990. Manas is located at the foothills of the eastern Himalayas. It is a transboundary World Heritage property across the Indian and Bhutanese Manas Tiger Reserve Conservation, and is bounded by the Manas River in the east and reserved forest on the west. It provides habitat for 22 India's most threatened species of mammals. The priority species are one-horned rhino, swamp deer, wild buffalo, tiger and elephant. Wild buffalo population is fairly found here and is also home to clouded leopard, sloth bear, pygmy hawk, hispid hare, etc. It is holder of 6 national and international designations. They are World Heritage Site, National Park, Tiger Reserve, Biosphere Reserve, Elephant Reserve and Important Bird Area. Next is about the DIBRU SAIKHOWA National Park. It covers an area of 650 square kilometers. It is located in the Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts of Assam, designated as a Biosphere Reserve in 1997. It is bounded by the Brahmaputra and Lohit rivers on the north and Dibru River on the south. The largest swamp forest in northeastern India. It is home to 388 bird species like grey heron, yellow bittern, Asian openbill, whistling duck, etc. So it is declared as an important birding site by BirdsLife International. The park is renowned for its natural regeneration of salix tree, critically endangered species of white-winged wood duck and feral horses. Many species of turtles are also found here. By 2020, the permit granted to Oil India Limited for exploration of hydrocarbons at several places within the preserved areas was delayed by the Guwahati High Court. And the seventh one is the NAMERI National Park. In the foothills of the eastern Himalayas, it covers an area of 200 square kilometers located in the Sonitpur district of Assam. It is declared as the second tiger reserve of Assam in 2000 after Manas National Park. It borders with Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary of Arunachal Pradesh. Large density of herds of elephants are found. Here also endangered white-winged wood duck is present. It provides habitat for Bengal tiger, clouded leopard, Himalayan black bear and Indian giant squirrel and the most popular birding destinations. Next is we are going to Bihar, one national park. Only one national park in Bihar, and it is established in 1990 and its area is 335 kilometers square. It is situated in the Champaran district and it is a Valmiki National Park. And it is a tiger reserve also. Till 1978, it was a wildlife sanctuary. It is home to Royal Bengal tiger, bison, flying fox, etc. Authorities of the Valmiki Tiger Reserve have started the conservation of vultures in its area. This includes the Egyptian vulture, griffon vulture, white-rumped vulture and Himalayan griffon. Valmiki Tiger Reserve is the only tiger reserve in Bihar which forms the easternmost extent of the Himalayan Terai forest. And there is an excellent example of Himalayan Terai landscape. Next, going to the Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh has got 3 national parks. The first one is the Indravati National Park. It is declared as a national park in 1981 and the park derived its name from the Indravati river. It is located in the Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. It is home to endangered wild water buffalo and also found barking deer, Nilgiri, Nilgai, Gaur, etc. One of the site of Project Tiger, vegetation is grassland, so home to many population of wild buffalo. It is the largest national park of Chhattisgarh and it is otherwise known as Kutru National Park. The second one is the Kangerghatti National Park. It is declared as National Park in 1982. It covers an area of 200 kilometers square. It is one of the densest national parks in India. And this national park is very famous for the long subterranean geomorphological limestone caves. And this park mainly consists of Kuddapa group of rock formations. It is home of Bastar Hill Maina, state bird of Chhattisgarh, and the park derived its name from the river Kangar. The dominant fauna are tigers, leopards, mouse deers, barking deers, jackals, langurs, and pythons, cobras, and crocodiles are found. The third one is the Guru Ghasidas National Park, and these are known as Sanjay National Park and covers an area of 466 square kilometers and located in the Korea district of Chhattisgarh. And the National Tiger Conservation Authority has recently declared the combined areas of Guru Ghasidas National Park and the Chamor Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. On 2021, Guru Ghasidas National Park was declared as a 53rd tiger reserve in the country. and the most important point is the Guru Ghasidas National Park 53rd Tiger Reserve. It forms the easy walkthrough of tigers in Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve of Madhya Pradesh and Palamavu Tiger Reserve of Jharkhand. Asiatic cheetah was spotted here. In Goa, one national park, and it is Molam National Park. It is established in the year 1992. It spreads over an area of 107 km square and is situated in the Western Ghats. It forms the boundary on east side between Karnataka and Goa. National Highway 4A passes through it, and these protected areas in Goa are Koutigavu Wildlife Sanctuary and Badevi. In fauna, giant squirrel, mouse deer, etc. Barking deer, sloth bear are found. Black panthers found spotted in Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. The vegetation here is semi-evergreen and evergreen type. Going to the Gujarat, 4 national parks are there. The first one is the Gir National Park. The wildlife sanctuary established in 1965 and the national park was established in 1975. Total area is 1412 km square, and among these 258 km square are protected as national park and 1153 km square as a wildlife sanctuary. Only place in the world where we can see Asian lions playing in the natural forest. Estimated census of lion population is 674 by 2020. It is one of the 7 protected areas selected for the biodiversity conservation through the Eco Development Project, and these are funded by the Global Environment Facility by World Bank because of its importance of having Asiatic lion. The crocodiles are conserved here. Maldharis are a group of tribals that are inhabited in this region. They are the religious pastorals having a symbiotic relationship with the lion. The vegetation here are dry deciduous forests. Here we can see crocodile, langur, wild boar, chingara, civets, leopard, etc. Malabar whistling thrush, orange-headed ground thrush, crested hawk eagle, king vultures are the birds we can see here. The second one is the Blackbuck National Park, located in the Bhal region of Saurashtra in the western shore of Gulf of Khambat. Main aim is to protect the blackbucks. The 4 types of habitats are found. They are the different types of grasslands, shrublands, saline land and tidal mudflat. Lesser florican, an important bird found in this area, and it is home to blackbuck, bluebell, jungle cat and fox. Vansda National Park. These are established as a national park in 1979 with an area of 24 km square. Located in the Navasari district of Gujarat. It is an extension of Sahyadri ranges, and a rare species of birds are found here. Hard-spotted woodpecker, grey hornbill, Malabar trogon. Fauna here are leopard, wild boar, Hanuman langur, hyena, flying squirrel, etc. Vegetation is mix of deciduous and dry deciduous forest with bamboos. The Gulf of Kutch Marine National Park. It is the largest and the first marine park and sanctuary established in 1982, located in the Dwaraka district of Gujarat. It is a very fragile ecosystem. In 1982, a core area of 110 km square was declared as a marine national park under the provisions of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. The chief characteristics are the dense mangrove forest, the second largest in the country after the Sundarbans. The fauna includes many species of sponges, corals, jellyfishes, sea anemones, dolphins, starfish, sea urchins, sea cucumbers are found. Home to rare and endangered species of sea cow, that is dugong. Next, going to the national parks in Haryana. The first one is the Sultanpur National Park. It covers an area of 142 km square situated in Gurgaon district and main areas of migratory birds as well as resident birds. The park is an important wetland that harbors plant and animal life. Nearly 250 species of birds are found. Home to blackbuck, leopard, hawk deer. It was a bird sanctuary covering 142.52 hectares. In 1971, the Jeel of area was accorded sanctuary status under the Section 8 of Punjab Wildlife Preservation Act of 1959. The status of the park is upgraded to the national park under the Section 35 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. It is listed in Ramsar sites, and for the first time, 2 wetlands in Haryana, they are the Sultanpur Park in Gurgaon and Bhinwas in Wildlife Sanctuary in Chachar, have been included in the Ramsar site. Egyptian vulture, steppe eagle, black-billed tern are found among the globally threatened species here. Next is the KAZIRANGA National Park. It is situated in the foothills of the Shivalik range of Himalayas. It was declared as a wildlife sanctuary in the year 1996. The park was declared as a national park on the 8th December 2003, having an area of 11570 acres. Appreciated for its biodiversity and ecological stability, thick salwoods are found here. and these are home to sambar, cheetah, barking deer, rhesus macaw and antelopes. Next, going to the Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh have 5 national parks. The first one is the Great Himalayan National Park. It is officially declared as a national park in 1999 and located in the Banjar subdivision of Kulu district, and its height is more than 3,500 meters. The UNESCO World Heritage Site status received for its biodiversity conservation in 2014. High altitude seen animals like bharal, snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, musk deer are found. This national park is the junction of the two major fauna. They are the Indo-Malayan to the north and Palearctic to the south. And this national park is home to many fauna and flora, including wild medicinal plants. Himalayan tar is a main attraction. And this national park provides protection especially to the snow leopard, serow, Himalayan tar and musk deer. Indian pika, rhesus monkey, Himalayan black bear, Himalayan brown bear, red fox, mongoose, crimson sunbird, etc. are found. And this national park is the home to world's largest known population of western tragopan. The next one is the Pin Valley National Park. These are located in the Lahore and Spiti district. The Pin River flows through this and established in 1987. It comes under the Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve and various endangered species like snow leopard, Siberian ibex. Vegetation here are Himalayan cedar grouse and alpine trees. These comes under the Trans-Himalayan flora and fauna. Home to various bird species, golden eagle, bearded vulture, griffon, Himalayan chow and raven. Inderkila National Park. These are established in 2010, located in the Kulu district and has wide variety of flora and fauna. Home to various mammals like brown and black bear, leopards, mountain deer and goats. It spreads over 104 square kilometers. Next is the KAZIRANGA National Park. These are established in 2010. It covers an area of 710 square kilometer, located at a height of 5,500 meter. It has its boundary with Great Himalayan National Park. It is home to wild bear. Next comes the fifth, that is the Simbalbara National Park. It is the smallest national park of Himachal Pradesh, located in Sirmaur district, also known as Colonel Sher Jung National Park. It is constituted as a wildlife sanctuary in 1958 and into a national park in 2010. It covers an area of 27 square kilometers. And thus ends the part 2. Thank you.